Well, if you look at the well, the first goal for them, I don't see the call for one. Their second goal's not a foul, and the free kick's fantastic. Take nothing away from the kid, but those things change games. And yes, we can hang on to a lead, and I can say to the guys they didn't try hard. I thought we played well tonight. I thought we deserved to win, but we didn't. But you're looking at the game as well, and you probably have a different view. But for me, we deserve to win that because 2 calls go against us in the match that cost us the game. Momentum's everything. We 2-0 up. He gives the phantom penalty kick. I don't know what the call is. So they go 2-1. They got life. He gives them another foul that was not a foul. I'll show you that. Razvan wins the ball, pokes it away, gives a foul to a good player in a good spot. Great free kick area for a great finisher like Silva is. He likes that. He scored. Third goal, I'll leave with that one, but we're on the ropes at that point. So it's tough.